In this video, I'll talk about how you can add add-ons to your YouTube TV. Now this is actually really easy, guys. What you want to do is just head over to tv.youtube.com, sign into your account, and then you want to go into the settings and head over to your membership. Now how you can do this is by, if you're using your PC, just go to tv.youtube.com, mobile device, download the YouTube app. If you're using a smart TV, you should download the YouTube app as well, or you can open the browser on your smart TV and head over here. After that, go to your settings, profile picture, settings, go to membership, and it will show you your subscription. Now in there, you can just see all of the available add-ons to your current YouTube subscription. And some of these are Sports Plus, Entertainment Plus, Spanish Plus, movie add-ons, NBA League Pass, such as this. Then you're just gonna select which one you want. And keep in mind, most of these are gonna charge an additional fee to use these. So just keep that in mind, but then you can subscribe to those as well, and they will be added to your package. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.